Ano man ang hanap mo, whether it's for office, outdoor, travel, or just chilling at home, this mini handheld fan got you. With its LED display and quiet operation, it's the perfect companion para sa lahat ng panapanahon. Kaya mo pa itong ma-charge gamit ang USB port, laptop, or car charger. Ang dali lang. Convenient para sa lahat ng modern lifestyle. Hindi lang to basta ordinary fan, besh. Napaka-versatile kahit saan mo gamitin, pwede. Handheld, tabletop, neck hanging. Ang flexible design nito ay perfect kahit sa anong mode mo. Hands-free, portable, and silent. Ito yung fan na maghahatid sa'yo ng cooling breeze without the noise. With 180 to 90 degree, foldable and adjustable ang feature. Ang comfort and convenience talaga ang on point. May 5 iba't ibang wind speed. Carry niya sa bahay, office, shopping, camping, travel, at kahit saan ka pa magpunta. Included din ang lanyard, fan base, at data cable para added ang convenience. Kaya mga ka-wise spender, alam mo na, nasa yellow basket ko. Please share and follow me for more sulit sales. Bye!